Welcome! In version 17, BluffTitler returns to its core functionality, rendering text. Here's a clean, minimalistic example from BixPack 51. It's a single font. All variations and decorations are generated by the app. The template shown here uses the all-new clip properties to make this fun example. And here we have a cool cyberpunk example from BixPack 50. The audio cables, jacks and eyes are automatically added, saving you time and effort when it comes to making your videos. And here you can see the new stroke and outline features. They really make your text stand out for that extra impact. All in glorious real-time 3D. Watch your text from any position you like, and any angle too, making the process of creating a cinematics title effect that much simpler to do. The amazing part is that unlike AI, BluffTitler will render your text instantaneously, allowing you to view your scene in real time rather than waiting minutes for renders. Use any text, select the text layer, and enter your text in the text box. Imagine all of the possibilities for your projects. You can also use any font, which lets you further customize your text to your own specification within each BixPack. To see how it works, let's start from scratch so you can see just how simple it is to use. Choose the menu item, Media, Change Texture. In this dialog you can not only change the textures, but also the effect. That's because they work together. Select the PBR Physically Based Rendering effect. Choose a nice colour map. When the file names are recognised, the other textures are loaded automatically. So now we have a colour map, a normal map, the default cube map, and an ORM map. And already that looks way more interesting. Next thing we will do is select the text style with this drop down. Now, let's add some decorations. Click on the Attach Border to Active Layer button. Let's try the new Clipped preset. We now have a text layer attached to another text layer. Adjust the effect with the clip position and the clip rotation props. As you can see, this will allow you to change the rotation of the new layer to the position you want easily. Let's just set it to here for now. Change the colour with the colour prop. For this example, we are going to go with a light orange. Change the size with the stroke prop. You can make some interesting effects, as you can see here. Now, if you wonder what the sliders do, you can choose Help, then User Guide, or just press F1 to display the help window. This tells you exactly what the sliders of the active property do, and it's always there if you need any help. You can also use the menu on any prop, including bevel. Now, turn on glow by going to Layer, then Active Layer Properties, click Glow and then adjust the sliders to your liking. The help window will be there if you need it. Let's rotate the text and take a look at how the glow affects it. The shine on that metal effect is really cool as well. Okay, let's try out another preset. In contrast to the stroke prop that expands the text in all directions, the stroke directional prop expands the text only in a single direction. You can set this direction with the second slider of the stroke directional prop. The first slider sets the size. Again, peek in the help window if you need to find out what any of the sliders do. When you use the stroke property at the same time, it will be applied after the directional stroke. Feel free to experiment until you get the effect that best suits your needs, and if you need it, the help window will always be there. Multiple text layers can be attached to the same parent text layer. For example, let's attach the base style and the whole style to the text we have here. These are simple shape styles with fun results as seen at the start of the video. Another layer type that can be attached to the text layer is the sketch layer. Make the text layer the active layer and click on the Add Sketch Layer button. Now let's try connecting characters preset. We now have a sketch layer attached to a text layer. In this example, you can see the two letters have been joined together by cables. And as we rotate the text, you can see it renders instantly. The sketch is automatically adjusted when you change the spacing prop of the text layer. This means that you don't have to reattach the letters every time you want to move them. And now we can animate the sketch layer with its writer prop. Let's increase the layer hierarchy one more time by attaching a model layer to the sketch layer. Make sure the sketch layer is the active layer, and then click on the Add Model Layer button. We now have a text with a sketch child and a model grandchild. We can fix the size with the sliders, and we can also fix the rotation and fix the position until we have a result that looks more natural. As you can see, the text is starting to look amazing, and all with just a few clicks. The writer prop still works as well, and when updating the text, the sketch and model layers are updated as well. Amazing. Even with this many characters, you can see the results in real time. Creating text like this really couldn't be simpler with version 17 of BluffTitler. You can create so many amazing styles which will catch the attention of anyone who sees it. Let's test the writer prop. Oops, that was the wrong layer. We of course need the writer prop of the sketch layer. There we go, we can plug everything in if we want to. This is only a quick demo. The installer comes with more tutorials and examples. Here we have a quick text layer tutorial show. Let's also check out one from the sketch folder. For more tips, tricks and tutorials, examples, templates, and also the best place to ask questions, just visit the BluffTitler community. Click on the community button on the top right of the render window. This opens the community website in your default browser where you can find lots of useful information and tips. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the community. Now, let's see if I can find the outro show. There it is. Yes.